Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to block adult websites in iPhone. So for this, go to settings. Now after reaching settings, tap on screen time. Scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. Now set up screen time if needed. If this is your first time using screen time, tap on setup screen time and follow the on-screen instruction. If not, then ensure that content and privacy restriction is turned on. After reaching there, tap on web content. From here, store web series, tap on it. Now tap on web content, and if it is unrestricted, tap on limit adult website. If you want to block specific adult website, you can add them there. After tapping limit, you can add website URL, and from never allow also you can add it. So that's it. That's how you'll add adult website. You'll block adult website in your iPhone. And if you accidentally block a useful website, you can add its URL to the always allow section and make it as always allow and never allow. So that's it. That's how you'll limit your adult website. Thanks for watching.